Hi guys! Introducing to you our newest collaboration from Yeouth Skin Care, the glycolic acid 30% gel peel with retinol and green tea. So basically, glycolic acid is a type of alpha hydroxy acid or AHA that's derived from sugar cane. So glycolic acid effective exfoliant targets the signs of aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, large pores, even the dark spots, breakouts, and scars. So glycolic acid helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, even the large pores, as I said. While retinol helps support healthy skin, reduces also the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And the green tea is helping to neutralize free radicals and improve the appearance of sun-damaged skin. So glycolic acid 30% can be used twice a week. For application, please do the skin test first. Apply on your skin for about 7 to 10 minutes only, then rinse and dry off after. So you can use your favorite moisturizer after, and please don't forget to use sunblock. Okay, so if you're interested guys, please check Yeouth Skin Care page on Instagram, also available on Amazon. Alright, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like it. Please follow me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Lovely Hesper. Bye!